Well, sometimes when you come to buy a vet every day and you work here around all the Corvettes, there are those special times when a car pops onto our lot and you just take special notice of it. And this is one of those cars. It's a combination of colors of the car and the wheel as the interior. It's just a beautiful car. 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2 LT Coupe. Just 18,000 miles on this vehicle, and it is an attention grabber. Check more detailed photos and the pricing right down below in the link right below this video. I'll take you to all that additional information. But this is beautiful. Torch red on the exterior, adrenaline red interior, which is beautiful. And under the hood, 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $4,455 2LT preferred equipment group. Always remind you, heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo system, AM, FM, XM, MP3 stereo, steering wheel controls, MyLink. The car has auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter. It has the memory package, and it also has a front view camera. It also has that Grand Sport package, black brake calipers, electronic limited slip differential with cooler multi-mode exhaust, magnetic selective ride control, and dry sump oil system. It has those Z06 size wheels, tires, and brakes, and those Z06 style rocker panels as well. Wider quarter panels, fenders, specific gear ratios, wicker bill rear spoiler, specific front splitter, and it has the side skirts. It has the performance data recorder with navigation, satin black wheels. This really sets this car off. Those satin black wheels with the thin red stripe, has the red brake caliper override. It has red seat belts and the Grand Sport Heritage package as well. It has remote start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights. Everything on this car is power. It has the rear view camera as well, power brakes, power mirrors, cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling. It comes with a clean Carfax, really well optioned. As we said, 18,595 miles. Great condition. You really need to check this vehicle out. Give us a call here at buyvet.net at Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, hit the notification button and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. It's fun to see them all because we have a wide selection of Corvettes, and we sell a lot of Corvettes, so our inventory is always changing, so you can keep up with us right there on YouTube. But anyway, we hope to hear from you on this car. Remember, we make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. We ship nationwide, much less expensive than you can imagine. We're buyvet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Hope to hear from you soon.